Hello, lovely family. How are we doing today? I believe we are all doing good as always. You are all welcome to Modern Braids Archive's YouTube channel. This channel will get you all your fashion needs with regards to females' hairstyles. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. In this video, we have a collection of some beautiful and gorgeous Atrevete Duku turban for you. The name for this type of hairstyle is different in various countries. So if these are not called by the names that I mentioned, please forgive me, and you can put that in the comment section for everybody to know how you call this type of headgear or hair fashion. We have about 70 of them and they all comes in different styles. So if you're interested in any of them, you can look at how it's been made and try one yourself. Please, let's enjoy the video. Once we enjoy the video, I will urge you to help me solve these short and simple riddles. The answer to these riddles will be at the end of the video. First riddle. What is at the end of a rainbow? Second riddle. What word contains 26 letters, but only 3 syllables? Third riddle. There is something you always answer, but has never asked you a question before. What is it? Before we get to the end of the video for you to see all the answers to the riddle, head straight to the comment section and put down your answers in a comment form. And let's see who will get all the 3 riddles correct. If you enjoyed the styles in the video or the riddle, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. And don't forget to also subscribe and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.